Hi, welcome to my channel, where we take your nice, comfy reality and poke little holes in it until it feels slightly creepy. Today, we're talking about the bizarre ways your brain tricks you into seeing things that aren't actually there. Yeah, thanks, brain. Very helpful. Okay, let's get right into it. Your brain is basically a scammer in a trench coat selling you hallucinations, glitches, and fake products you never ordered. And today, we're counting down some of the creepiest ways it tricks you into seeing things that aren't even real. Number 1, phantom phone vibrations. Your pocket buzzes, you grab your phone, nothing. Congratulations, your brain just sold you a fake notification. It's called phantom vibration syndrome, and it happens because your brain hates silence so much it invents drama. Basically, your nervous system is a bad improv actor. Yes, and you're lonely. Number 2, faces in the clouds. That potato chip? Totally Abraham Lincoln, or maybe Elvis. Your brain is obsessed with spotting faces everywhere, pareidolia, because back in cave times, noticing face through predator kept you alive. Now it just makes your bread look like it's judging you. The scam? Your brain still thinks every burnt tortilla might be divine intervention. Number 3, the shadow people trick. You wake up and boom, shadowy figure in your room. Chill. That's just sleep paralysis, where your brain mixes fear chemicals with half-baked dreams. Basically, it's your brain running a horror movie subscription service without asking if you even like horror. Thanks, scammer. Number 4, your name in the crowd loud party can't hear a thing until someone says your name. Suddenly, your brain's like, oh, that's important. It's called the cocktail party effect, which is when your brain ignores everything useful, like directions, but perks up instantly for hot gossip. The scam here is obvious. Your head is just TMZ with neurons. Number 5, phantom limbs. People lose a limb, but still feel it itching or hurting. That's phantom limb syndrome, where your brain refuses to update its little body map. The scam? It keeps charging you rent for body parts you don't even own anymore. Landlord brain strikes again. Number 6, the moving eye trick. When your eyes dart around, you should see blur, chaos, but nope, your brain edits it out, like a lazy intern smoothing over footage. This is called saccadic masking. It means that you're living inside a shoddy movie edited by someone who definitely got fired. Scam level, Hollywood reboot. Number 7, peripheral ghosts. That shadowy flicker in the corner? Probably not a ghost, just your rods detecting motion without detail. But your brain sells it to you like a limited edition haunting. Creepy shadow? Nah, just your scam artist brain auditioning for paranormal activity. Number 8, the missing nose hack your nose? Always in view, always. Your brain just photoshops it out because apparently it's too ugly for the final cut. The scam here, your brain literally gaslights you about your own face. Congrats, you're living in the world's worst beauty filter. Number 9, the mirror haunting stare at yourself long enough and bam, your face melts, morphs, or looks possessed. That's the Troxler effect. Your neurons get bored and start deleting details, which means your own reflection is basically a funhouse mirror scam brought to you by, you guessed it, your brain. So yeah, your brain is the world's biggest con artist, lying, editing, deleting, inventing, and charging you full price for a reality that barely works. But hey, without it, you'd be dead, so good scam, I guess. That's all for today. I'll be making more videos like this, so subscribe if you don't want to miss them.